Welcome to the paper airplane contest. As if you saw my intro, that would be pretty cool. So you know what all the planes are. So I will be flying my ranked one. If you don't remember it, it's the one that I said it has a ton of lift and still goes really fast. So here we go. Three, 2, 1. And yeah, that one was very unexpected. I think I might have threw that pretty bad. But anyways, second ranked, remember, big lift, still very fast too. So you can come and see the heat waves. My iPad is not shaking. And yeah, I think I'm throwing it too hard down. That's why. Alright, I failed. Anyways, I want to do rank third. Trust me, this one goes far. Just don't come out of my mouth, too. And that's Into the Unknown. I'll show you. And oh, you see it? It's right on that left, right of the bush you see on the left side. I think that might take second. Anyways, just please, I really want to have a play button. That's what I want to. Although I really love engineering, so that's why I'm doing paper airplanes, trying to figure out all these terms. And that one, it takes third. He gets dropped out of the, like the podium, the one that's closest behind the bars. Green, 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 green. Oh yeah, green. And there we go. It takes fourth. Oh my goodness. And now, come down here for the rankings. See you in the next video. I'm gonna finish it by doing my little spinner you ski.